Yo, it's your boy. Damn. But the first try I fucking record this, man, I fuck it up so bad. I had the fucking microphone screen record on, bro. Silly goose me, bro. But let's get it. It's your boy Dior. And this is how to sound like crushxo. This is bro's preset. Hey, that's what he said, yeah. He said this is preset. But from what I can remember, this is like let me show you how it sound like. This vocal was recorded in a different preset. So I don't even like yeah, I got banned off. I got banned off. Yeah, take me out of list though. I could go to banned off. I gotta wait for some rich people problems. Yeah, this is sort of sound like, bro. So like, when I let me think. So let me show you how it sounds like on beat though. Yeah, dog, this is sort of sound like. So like, if you're interested in like getting the beat, just DM me on. No, not getting the beat. Getting that preset, just DM me on Instagram. Underscore Dior underscore. It's just 4 underscores. And you see Yu-Gi-Oh profile. Alright, DM me. You want it? Let's get it, bro.